In March, I woke up and discovered that my Fab account had been banned. This was my main source of income, and at that moment, I realized I was left with no money. What would you do if tomorrow you lost your entire income? And on that account, I had more than 700 models. All of them just disappeared from the store. And the most absurd part, I got banned because of one old 3D model that I created 6 years ago. March will probably remain the worst period of my life. Yeah, not in my 3D career, but in my life. Because I never thought it could feel this bad when your main source of income is suddenly taken away. I kept replaying memories from my life and asking myself, when the last time was that I felt this bad? And the answer was never. Even though many bad things have happened in my life, somehow the emotional hit from getting my account banned became the most painful moment. I remember thinking, is this really the end? Selling 3D models on Marketplace has always been the most interesting way for me to make money. The next day, after a very long conversation with Fab support, I found out that my account was banned for 30 days and would eventually be restored. When I found out the ban was only 30 days, I felt such a huge relief that I just sat down and started crying. 36-year-old man. Because in that moment I realized everything wasn't lost. So why I did get banned? The reason was these sneakers. This model contains design elements from the brand Vans. I created it several years ago, and to be honest, I had completely forgotten that it was even published. The irony that this model never sold even once. I don't even like this model. Okay, you might think, can one model really get your account banned? Not exactly. Fab has a strike system. When you receive warnings for violating the rules, they accumulate. And once there are too many of them, your account can be temporarily suspended. When you sell on marketplaces, you are playing on someone else's field, and the rules of that game can change at any moment. Keep in mind that I have more than 700 models. Some of them had been on the platform for 4 years, so it's easy to miss something. And this warning became the reason my account was banned for 30 days. So what happens next? First, I have to wait for my account to be restored. Then I'll need to review all my assets and remove any that may violate someone's rights. Fortunately, there are very few of them, since about 95% of my models are fictional. During that entire time, I will have no income. I'll also continue talking with the Fab team to fully understand how their warning and ban system works, so that I can avoid mistakes like this in the future. At the same time, my latest YouTube video started gaining traction, and more people are becoming interested in my method and business model of making money on 3D marketplaces. And in a way, this situation is even useful, because I'll break down this exact case, how the strike system works, how to submit appeals, and how to avoid situations like this entirely. This story taught me one important lesson. You should never build your income on a single platform, even if it has been making you money for years. That's why my next step is diversifying my income and expanding to other marketplaces. Hit like and subscribe. You won't find insights like this anywhere else.